Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check One UI 7 update on Samsung Galaxy A23. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. The Settings app is where all the magic happens. You can change everything from display settings to privacy, security, and more. Step 2. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll all the way down to find the Software Update option. Tap on it. This section is dedicated to checking and managing your phone's system updates. Step 3. In the Update settings, tap on Download and Install. Your phone will now start scanning Samsung's servers to check if a new software update is available. This might take a few seconds to a minute, so be patient. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and your battery is at least 50%. Or better yet, plug your phone into a charger during this process. Step 4. For the last and most important step. If a new version is available, like One UI 7 based on Android 15, you'll see an option to download and install it. Tap that button, follow the on-screen instructions, and let your phone complete the process. The phone will reboot during the update and then install the latest version. I've already updated my phone, and I'm happy to share that I'm now running the latest One UI 7 with Android 15. It's super smooth, and the new features are amazing, like improved privacy controls, better battery optimization, and a refreshed UI design. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.